A lot of these governments really look at the waste problem from a downstream perspective. Ibig sabihin, kung sino yung nagtapon at saan tinatapon, doon lang pinoproseso. No, hindi tinitingnan yung actual source ng pollution. When we say actual source, the first thing that comes to our mind is consumers tayo, no? But no, the actual source of pollution is actually the one who produces the plastic, which are the plastic producers. And unfortunately, wala pang magagandang polisiya in place uh, that shows the problem of the lack of upstream solutions. Alam natin na floods bring with them a lot of diseases, and a lot of exposure, no, to the elements, no, which really places a lot of the most vulnerable sectors of society in harm's way. Kapag dumaan ka lang anywhere dito, nakikita natin yung mga mounds of trash that were gathered because nasira ng bagyo, no, nasira ng baha, no, and the risk, no, of this is of course again health, but also waste management, no. There are studies that show that during disaster periods or post-disaster periods, mas lalong na-overwhelm yung waste management systems ng mga syudad, no, precisely because of this exponential increase in waste. The first thing that needs to be done, no, is to have policies in place for upstream solutions, but also looking for ways to deliver products more efficiently in a more sustainable manner. This means reuse and refill systems. There are a lot of LGUs that are already doing this in partnership with a lot of sari-sari stores and small stores, no, and it's been proven to be effective, not only in terms of reducing the plastic but also cost effective sa mga tao, which is really the draw of these systems.